Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Hari ini kita akan main game Roblox Burger Shack. I don't know macam mana nak dia punya sebutan dia, tapi game ini berkenaan dengan burger. Saya pun tak tahulah kita buat apa. Langsung saja kita main. Yang ini tak ada description. Description ni kata, are you ready for the first night shift at the burger? Okay. You got scheduled to work the night shift at Burger Shack. Okay. You are kind of nervous but everything should be okay, right? There is a secret ending. Will you unlock it? So langsung saja kita masuk ke dalam. Okay, seperti biasa ya, kita akan bermain solo sebabnya kita ni nak merasai suasana ya. Dah macam buat paranormal je. Tapi tak apa, let's go, kita masuk dalam. Okay ya. Okay, kita naik kereta and jalan di sebelah. Honestly, getting for the night shift schedule has been too bad. Tak teruk sangat. Not only I get an extra and so don't have maksudnya kita dapat $1 per hour dan tak ada siapa-siapa pun. So hearing the news tapi yang dia cakap maksudnya customer tak ada datang sangat, so dia kata tak okay jugalah kerja sini. Finally here. Sekejap saya kuatkan sikit. Okay, jom sikit everyone. Kita ada smartphone sini. My phone. You receive a new text message from Jerry. Tip, open your phone. Sorry. Jerry, you are scheduled work the night shift starting tomorrow. Don't forget. Yeah, remember. Hey, have you made it work to job yet? Yeah, I just got here. Okay, the news recently just give out an alert that some kid that volunteering at the local how missing. So just keep an eye outdooring your shift. Okay, thanks for warning. Apparently some kid maksudnya dekat sekitar sini ada budak hilang ya. Probably nothing need to worry about. Shit, dah aku je go log in. I should bro. Okay. Sumpah tu tadi dia punya music tu seram gila tu. Rasa gelap tu. So di ni restroom, kita nak pergi ke kitchen. What the hell? Apa benda tu? Macam ada kesor tu. Okay, sumpah tu seram tu. Ada makhluk kat sini. You receive the new message. Okay. Also, I forgot to mention, but the light may be switched off by the breaker out back. Just go out the box and switch them in easy. Okay, so kita kena keluar tu untuk ni. Okay, harap tak seram. Okay, cepat tadi tu bapak dia terkejut aku. Woi, kenapa nak kena buat macam tu? Okay, tak apa. Dia punya transition. I should go take out the instruction sheet to remember how make each burger before any customer show up. Okay, so kita kena ambil buku instruction ya. Dia macam ni ke? Burger. Okay, tip. Look here whenever need remember how to assemble a burger bun. Okay, burger biasa. Bun beef patty. Kalau cheeseburger, grade the customer. Sekejap. Okay. Bun beef patty cheese. Okay, 3. Kalau deluxe burger, bun beef patty cheese tomato. Okay, kita buat. Hello there, young person. Hi, what would you like to order? Kenapa muka dia macam orang Chinese tu? Let me get one regular burger please. Okay, so hanya roti dengan that will be not $1.99 ma'am. Alright. Okay. So kita ambil sini, cash deposit. Customer order burger. Okay, so kita boleh tengok jugalah kalau kita lupa customer nak order apa. You can get the supply from the dekat dalam freezer, walk-in fridge kita kena masuk. Okay, kita boleh masak dekat grill juga. Okay, so ini game hantu tapi boleh secara masak tu.
Nice.
Okay, prepare the order. Okay, so kita buka sini, kita ambil Betty. Okay, nombor 2 cook. Wow, game dia menarik juga. Okay, kita boleh buat 2 je. Tapi ini bukan game masak-masak, tak perlu apa. So grab the bun. Okay, so kita letak sini. Oh dah. Okay. Thank you sweetheart. Stay out of trouble. Okay. Weh, ni kalau main dengan member ni seronok. Bukan seronok, dia macam senang lah. The shift seem like it will be a walk in the park. Sumpah tu, ni gelap ni. Kat mana kita tu? Okay. Hey there sir. Korang pernah nampak tak muka dia ni? Ada dekat video saya main game. I just got done at the office. I'm starving. Okay, dia lapar ya. Okay, dia nak cheeseburger and soda. Kat soda mana? Make it snappy. I got to get home to my wife. Alright. No problem $3.99 please. Sumpah the game. Saya rasa ini adalah game yang sama yang kita main guys. Developer yang sama sebab semua muka sama. Kita ambil raw ni, kita masukkan sini. Sumpah tu, macam mana nak tahu ambil soda tu? Okay, kat mana cheese? Saya rasa cheese kat dalam ni. Sekejap. Okay, tomato. Oh, ni cheese. Okay, kita buat dulu ya. Kita ambil bun. Okay, kita ambil cheese. Alright, let's go. Bukan ni.
What?
Okay, lepas tu satu lagi kita ambil soda. Where's the soda? Dalam ni kan? Tak ada. Ni nak buang. Oh la ilaha illallah, dalam ni rupanya. Okay lah bang. Order cik dah selesai. Here's your order sir. Alright. Did you fall asleep in there? This took forever. I will make sure you leave you. Kenapa pula ni lambat? Biasalah buat burger acik tanpa orang tua ni kan. Saya kerja seorang ni je. Mana ada orang lain. Alamak acik ni. Tak apalah. Itulah tu korang hajar betul. Coba kita duduk dengan gambar kisah. Tak seram. Jerry, hey, kenapa ya? We just received a new review and it wasn't very positive to say the least. Ya doh, padahal saya seorang je kerja. Step it up. I don't want to have to write up you. Okay, or fire you. Alright. Alah, saya nak keluar lah. Saya tak nak kerja lah. Fire saja saya. Saya tak kisah pun. I don't give a shit. Okay, saya tak nak pun. Sini tempat seram. Customer is always at call. Okay, okay, sorry. Kenapa? What was that? Sounds like someone to breaking in or something. Kurang ajar lah. Perlu ke? Bismillah, tawakal Tuhan Allah. Wah, babi. Betul doh, aku dah baru je entire. Siapa makcik ni? There you are. Tutup je lah. Who are you? What are you doing here, lady? Ya, kenapa? Dah lah belakang ni. Nak ke depan. Ingat anda siapa? Saya tak ingat anda. I don't know who you are. Betul, saya tak kenal pun kamu. Pakai baju kuning. Oh yes, you do. I'm your grandmother Sudi. Tak payah. Ke kamu ni nak burger percuma?
Are you serious right now, bro?
Cakap lapar kan? Tak tiba-tiba je I have work I ni don't get done. Betul doh, mana tiba-tiba pula ni? Subbon maksudnya apa? What do you say? Subbon tu apa? Saya tak ingat lah sablah. Dah biarlah makcik tu. Makcik ngepek ngaut. Patutnya ambil je benda ni tadi. Corner. You dia nak hang out dengan kita. Dia dapat new console called short horror game. Pretty creepy. I don't want really low. So that will late maybe a different time. The one you were say now when is that? Not still sure. I heard about a crazy stuff going this town at night. Yeah, I will try my best thing. Have you looked in the news late? No, I got done dealing with something weird though. Why? You should look at it. Something really weird this happen is related to the retirement home. You know, the one they choose children when missing. Maksudnya terlalu TV. Maksudnya selalu ada apa sumpah tu. Breaking news.
This is your local news station, reporting live to inform you about a local missing person report.
Missing person.
The missing person is an elderly woman by the name of Edna
What the
Hargrove.
hell?
She was declared missing after staff at the retirement home she resides in noticed she was gone.
Ini yang jahat ke
The
ataupun
retirement home is also the last known location of the children that were reported missing earlier today.
saya tak berapa faham sangat. Adakah dia ni yang
Some
hilang
close family
ataupun
members of
siapa
Edna
ya?
have told us a little about her, mentioning her love for baking, as well as her past struggles with mental disorders.
Oh no, dia ada mental
The local authorities
disorder tu.
are asking the public for help to find Edna, as well as the missing children. They also refuse to comment when asked whether or not they believe these cases to be related or not. If you have any information on the whereabouts of anyone, contact the authorities immediately.
Kena kontak.
That's all we have to report for now. We thank you all for tuning in to this emergency news report.
Ada orang hilang. Tadi makcik tadi lah. Makcik tadi lah kan. Ya doh makcik tadi doh. Kita tengok back. Kita tengok kat background kita. Greet the customer. Okay. Sebenarnya dia ada 2 pintu. Ada protection sikit. Wih, ya ini yang game tu guys.
Hello guys.
Ingat tak? Wih. Hey, hi there. Adakah dia baik ataupun dia still karakter dia jahat juga? Tak tahu lah. Saya tak tahu lah pakcik jumpa apa. Well, I just started work at the night shift. This is my first one. I see. Well, I guess we will see how long you last. Anyways, I'd like to order 50 deluxe hamburger piece.
Oh, hell no! That's oh, hell no!
What the hell? Dia nak 15. Dia ni orang gila ke apa ni? Oh, selamat. Baik, dia usik gitu je. Okay, saya rasa dia okey lah. Dia baik lah. Mungkin yang masa hari tu kita main tu, kalau korang nak tengok video tu ada kat description, okay? Tapi saya main separuh je guys. Saya takut. Saya tak tahulah dia apa, dia orang kata apa, dia jahat kan. Ni tak tahu lah dia baik ke tidak. Kalau deluxe ada ni kan, ada ni cheese dengan tomato. Okay, mantap guys. So kita dah ambil semua. Tunggu sabar ya. Alright, this is your burger set. Hop. Tabik. Okay, saya rasa dia baik kot. Mungkin yang jahat tu I guess I should get going then. Maksudnya apa tu? Jangan tu. Saya rasa dia okey. Cuma ni yang jahat tu ada kan nenek tu. Yang nenek baju warna kuning tu. So kita tak tahu apa guys. What the kenapa kita kat sini? Kenapa? Greet the officer. Hello. Tapi siapa yang cakap tadi? Kenapa ada hey there officer, what should I call? Korang baca lah, saya penat. Ya ada. Saya ada dengar berita. Ada perempuan hilang dengan anak kecil juga. Betul. What the hell? Siapa kat belakang tu? Tu perempuan tu tengah jalan kat belakang. Okay. Tapi dia dah hilang lah. Buang masa dia tadi. Okay. Saya rasa perempuan tu jahat tu. Okay, mantap. Game ni tak ada CCTV tu. Seram. Game ni seram. Alah, polis pun macam au. Ni bukan Acik tadi ke? What do you want? You are hungry? I was hoping you help out your poop grandmother. Aku tak ada nenek. Faham tak? Nenek dah tak ada. Aku ingat lagi muka nenek aku sebenarnya bukan macam muka kau. Gedak. What's your name? Senyap. Apa dia? Buat nama je. Buat nama tampau lagi.
Stop it. Get some help.
Okay. Plain burger. Plain burger yang ni kan. Buat tertinggal pula. Oi, aku sepak lagi lah. Aku tenang. Damn! Heck no way. Mana boleh. Tak boleh. Come on. Ya je. Mana pistol tembak muka dia. Pom. Get off here. Get off here. Get off here. Get off here. Okay. Dah. Sila belah. But I will be back. Okay, belah sekarang. Belah. Macam tu tu. Tapi sumpah tu, kenapa tempat dia macam ni tu. Seram tu. Text from manager Jerry. Okay. The customer is over. Okay, I got informed the delivery truck at the back store. I need to go out and grab box from truck and okay. Tapi masalahnya sekarang ni kan, masalahnya nama ni game macam ni. Allah, tak ambil lagi ke? Bukan. Inventory. Tak boleh ambil lagi dah. Okay, hub kat sini. Ambil, letak kat sini. Aduh, kalau main game dengan member kan best. Alright, lagi 2 lagi. Tutup. Tidur dah masuk. Oh tak, dia mana pekerja belakang ni yang tak ada. Wah, semua nak kena tutup. Bila bagilah aku return. Wah, korang ajar nak bagi seram. Wait. Kita check dulu, Saya nak check dulu. Ada lenggakan motor. You do. Saya rasa dia masuk tu. I know you must be tired working so hard this late at night. I decide to bake you some fresh chocolate chip cookies. I use my own secret recipe. Edina, maybe she could help. To send masuk message kat corner. Sekarang kau apa tu? Yo, yes, welcome, what's going on? Okay, but message. The lady news, someone missing. I think she's dating me or something. Okay, she broke in and left me cookies and a note. She keep. Hidup seram tu. Oh my god. Oh my god, what? That is crazy. I'm going to hear the burger shot. Just moment, I don't want you to be alone. Okay, kalau datang sini, especially corner, datanglah sini kalau cakap macam tu. Seram lah. Okay. Great, corner school. Aduh, kenapa lah dia buat bunyi sound effect? Terkejut lah. So, corner akan datang. Dia tak tahulah betul ke tidak. Corner akan datang. Oh my god, terkejut. Yeah, miss. Ya, kita orang buka sampai malam-malam pun ada. Okay, boleh soda pop. Okay, kami right now. It's a Trudel 99. Dia nak apa tadi? Cheeseburger. Okay, let's go. Buat burger. Bestnya kalau ada macam ni kan. Game yang memang ada proper. Sebabnya rasa best. Boleh main. Soda. Apa ni nak tekan apa-apa pun. Okay, yes sir. Mantap sekali. Yep, okay, baik bos. Baik miss, akan berhati-hati. Seram pula ni. Mana corner tu? Katanya datang. Sumpah ni tak tahu nak buat apa. Macam ni. Bunyi apa, bau yang pelik bau yang how can I, okay fries, sumpah. Okay, tapi mana ada sangat, sumpah lah. What a joke. Betul, bukannya apa joke, betul memang tak ada. Yeah, that's all. Tak guys, go. Dia nak deluxe kan. Alright. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, sini. Let's order. Let's go. Cepat tak bang? Saya buat cepat sebab saya dah expert. You're welcome. Stay safe. Asal muka dia macam monyok ni? Saya rasa macam ada orang sembunyi dekat dalam bilik toilet ni. Tapi buat sebenarnya tak ada orang sembunyi pun. Alright, kita boleh tengok kat luar. Sumpah tu gelap. Tak nampak apa-apa kat luar ni. Okay, corner kat sini. Masuk pintu belakang. Aduh, kenapa tak masuk? Hey. Kenapa tak masuk pintu belakang? Selamat sikit. For now at least. Okay. Tak ada sangat lah. Tapi tadi ada. Okay, cepat. Ni mesti corner kena tangkap. Sumpah tu. Saya menjamin dia akan tangkap. Lah, takkan dia tak tahu tu muka dia macam mana. Takkan dia tak tengok. Kata tahu. Okay, ni dia punya ni. Oh my god. Weh, dia kena tikam tu. Okay, ni kita kena lawan. Stay right there. Okay, adakah kita kena lari? Okay, saya pandai bab lari-lari ni kat dalam game. Sekejap, saya letak tangan saya dulu. Okay, I need to find place to hide. Oh shit, nak masuk mana? Okay. Duduk kat sini. Okay. No, kawan kita tu. Okay. Macam mana nak tengok CCTV tu?
2,000 years later.
Sumpah lah. Sumpah dah, weh, corner macam mana tu? Okay. What the fish? My car is on fire. Aku beli RPG ya. This is all crazy. Corner make me die. I really should have taken the night shift. She bad. Okay, adakah kita kena run and survive? Memang anak dajal dia ni. Oi, anak dajal. Okay, kita gocek dia ya. Oh my god. Dekat belakang aku je. Okay. Kita kena survive secara ni saya pandai. Lari. Kejauh ni saya pandai. Okay. Okay. Mana dia? Alright. Kita main gocek. Oh, police! Finally here. The cop help me. Yay, please.
Nice.
Gimana apa tu ni? Talk with the officer. You saved my life. She was trying to kill me. Aduh, nasib baik tu. Okay, I saw you. Okay. What about my friend Connor? She stabbed him. I think he might be already dead. Okay. Harap dia boleh selamatkan lagi. What the hell do this is game? Okay, everything I honor in my life. Don't worry, kid. Now we just Bayang muka dah mati. Tak boleh, ni kawan kita je. Ni siren ending. The police station. Apa ni, tak nampak. After tasting the advice and left a seed, especially the cookies she left me at the counter. They were confirmed to contain the DNA from the missing children. You can only whether you have to capture to distract trying to the breast. The EMS and hospital staff could not save. Oh, kena mati. You are able to success iPhone, and she broke into the shop as well as orang. What the shit ke? Okay. Sayangnya kita tak dapat savekan corner ya. Corner tak dapat nak selamat kawan kita tu. Patutnya aku tak, kalau dalam real life saya tarik dia bawa masuk dalam tu. Tak ada ni, bahaya. Saya rasa dah habis dah ni. Oh no, dah habis. Oh no, corner. Okay, itu saja kita punya game burger set kot. So itu saja. Kalau korang suka dengan game cara saya macam ni, selamat datang dan salam jumpa di next video. Assalamualaikum. Mereba. Hehe.